Hi everyone, I'm Bhavna. I'm doing my internship. I just completed my bachelorate. About Het Desai sir and his vision and mission is absolutely amazing. And I don't think so anyone would come up with such a great thought. And he is going on with a very good cause, and I wish him all the very best. And I also wish that there will be many more therapists in this field, so that it will be very much comfortable and knowledge is everywhere, and nobody is gonna feel, oops, I'm gonna talk about it. No, it won't be like that. And about the workshop, it's absolutely stunning, and it was difficult for ma'am to keep all a huge amount of knowledge in 3 days, level 1, and 2 days in level 2. It's like amazing job they did, and they also made sure that it's understood to each and everyone. And I appreciate their patience to repeat the subject again and again if we are not understanding it. And it's a incredible job. Thank you.